Hi there, it's Adam with Fuse Service. If this video showed up on your feed, that means you are a person who needs a plumbing service absolutely for free. You heard that correctly. Right now we have the hottest promo for main sewer line inspection. Sewer damage is tricky, and when it goes too far can cost a fortune to repair, not mentioning all the damage to your property that it can do. That is why we always recommend regular sewer line inspection to prevent the repairs before they are needed. Our highly qualified plumbers will inspect the line for the cracks and potential wears and tear, and after the service you will get a detailed report about your sewer line, and all that absolutely free of charge. Don't wait for worst to happen. Give us a call today and have a peace of mind that your sewer is in a good condition, or get the repair done before a small break becomes a huge problem. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.